Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of pipe in Autodesk Inventor software. So we will use 3D sketch, sweep command, mirror command, fillet, extrude, chamfer. These all are the commands which we will use. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now go to 2D sketch, select the XY plane and go to line command. Here make a L profile, escape. Now go to dimensions, give this a height of 62 and the horizontal distance of 30. Okay, here we want to give a radius, so go to fillet command. Here take a radius of 20, select this horizontal line and select vertical. Okay, exit this. Now finish sketch. We want this profile. This is not in one plane, as you can see from here. For this we'll construct one more sketch. So go to 2D sketch, open the origin. Now we will select the YZ plane, the right plane. Take the line command. From same center point, make a line profile like this. Go to dimensions, give this dimension as 32 mm and this as 20 mm, and the total height, select the upper point, select this point and the bottom. The total height will be 62 mm. Okay. Now go to fillet and give a radius over here. Select this line and select this. Okay, a radius of 20. Finish. Now you can see there are two sketches intersecting each other. Okay, but we want to make this profile over this. So from here go to 3D sketch and go to intersection curve. Select this profile and now select this profile. Okay, now this profile is shifted towards here and you will see this final profile with this radius. Now finish sketch. We will hide these two, hide this sketch like this and hide this. Only this sketch is required for us. Now we will make a pipe profile over this. So go to plane, select this, the starting point and select this line. A new plane is being constructed. Select this plane and go to create sketch. Now go to project geometry and click on this point. Click on this point. It will project a point over here. Now go to circle command. Select here and make a circle of dia 15 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch and go to sweep command. This profile is selected. It will ask you to select the path. So select here the path and OK. Now We want a mirror profile of this. So from here, go to mirror, select this profile, select here plane. Plane we will select is the XY plane. It will mirror this profile, and okay. Now this is the final profile. Here in between we want to give a radius. So go to fillet, select a radius of 5 mm, rotate this and select the midpoint. Okay, apply. Now we want to make a hollow profile. So go to shell, thickness of 2 mm, select this faces, this face, this face, rotate the profile and this bottom face, and okay, accept this. Okay, now go to home. Now we will make the bottom profiles. We will make this flange profile over here. For this, rotate the pipe, select this face and go to create sketch. Now go to circle command, make a circle of dia 15 and from same center point a dia of 20. Okay, finish sketch. Now go to extrude, select the inner profile, rotate the view, flip the direction. Here give a dimension of 4 mm and we will select the join and okay. Now select the top face and go to create sketch, rotate the view. Okay, now take the circle command, from same center point make a dia of 15 and dia of 25. Okay, rotate this. These are the two dia. Finish sketch, go to extrude once again, select this inner profile and this time give a dimension of 5 mm. Okay, rotate this. This is hollow. Always look if by extruding the pipe should not get blocked. The extrude should not come inside. Okay, now here select this edge and go to chamfer command. Here give a chamfer of 2 mm and okay. Now rotate this view. We'll now make the front flange. Rotate this. We will make this front flange. Go to part, select this face, create sketch. Now here go to rectangle and select the center to center slot. Select a slot here, make a slot here. Okay, now go to concentric, select this slot circle and select this circle. These are concentric with each other. Similarly this side of slot, this circle. Okay. Now go to dimensions, give it a width of 26. Okay, now this is constrained. Now we will make this outer circle. So go to circle command, take a circle of dia 10 and the inner circle of dia 4.5. Similarly here of dia 10 and dia 4.5 and give this a dimension from here to here. This is 66. From center this will be half, 33. Okay, now what is left? Go to horizontal constraint, select this and select this point. Okay, they are already horizontally constrained, but it's moving. Select this point, okay, similarly this point and this point. Now this is fully constrained. Now go to extrude command, select this inner profile, select this profile and escape. Here we have to give this whole circle. So go to sketch, go to trim this, similarly trim this. Now finish, go to extrude, select this profile, select this and this, leave this area or first select the whole profile and OK. Now go to extrude. Now active this, right click and click on the visibility. To extrude, go to new sketch, select this plane, select this circle, project. Similarly select this circle and project. Okay, now go to 3D model, extrude, select this circle and select this circle. Now flip the direction, go to cut and OK. Rotate this view. Okay, now we don't want this sketch. Turn on this, right click and turn off the visibility. Okay, now the extrude is in opposite direction. Okay, image this, the extrude should go inside. So go to extrude, from here flip the direction and OK. Now this is OK. Okay, now this is OK. Now we will provide chamfers over here. So go to chamfer, take a chamfer of 1 mm, select this circle, select this, rotate and select the back side, this, and apply. Take one more chamfer of 0.5 mm, rotate this and at inner circle select this and OK. Go to home view, select this plane, right click and turn off the visibility. Rotate this. You can give any color if you want. From here you can give golden or you can give any golden metal. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to make a pipe with flange in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.